Hi, have you ever wondered how people get their free website? Have you been able to find one, maybe you don't have money for it? Okay, on today's tutorial, I'll guide you on how to create a website for your business. Yeah, it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything unless you want to go for the pro plans on it. So, stay with me till the end of this tutorial as I guide you step by step on how to create a free website for e-commerce businesses. If you sell products, it could be wares, shoes, gadgets. This is for you. Okay. All right. First you go to your Chrome. On this tutorial, we're going to use a software called Bumpa. Okay. So I don't know if you've had it before. Type bumpa.com, as you can see here. Okay. Let me show you through it before we go into creation of account. So this is a Bumpa website. You get to know everything about Bumpa. Yeah, this is absolutely good for small business owners. Wait, let me show you one of the sites I created using this software called Bumpa, or through this platform. Okay, stay with me. Let me show you this website. It was created with Bumpa. After having created this website, you can now share your link to your profiles on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. At the time I got tired of people posting 100 products on their status every day. I feel wonder how people posting 50 on their WhatsApp status every day. Okay, now this is an example of how the website looks like. Okay, this is your products. These are the products on this website. You can see the person location, contact if you want to call the person. See, there are different categories here. These are different categories. Okay, let's try to make a purchase. Let's add to carts, add to carts, add to carts. Then let's try to make some payments. Everything is 63,000. Proceed to checkout. Put your name. I don't really want to buy. Let's just go through it. Alternative phone number. Here, this is where customers will put their details. And the good part of this is that you can use their information, like their phone numbers, to send them a message letter to thank them, take their email, continue with email marketing for them. So this platform is really great for small business owners. So this is shipping method, flat rate 1,000 naira free. Okay, as you can see, if customers want you to deliver, so they have to pay 1,000 naira for delivery. If they have coupon, they can put it here. Look at them here. Okay, so let's go and continue creating an account. Okay, just step by step. Yeah. Okay, let me show you the packages now. This is the Bumpa package. As you can see, Bumpa basic is 0, starter 15,000, pro 30, growth 150,000. Okay, as you can see here. This for quarterly. Then let's check yearly. It's not switching. So could have been switching. It's okay. But let's see full price list here. I wish they can go deeper. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. These are the features. Look at it. These are the features. Website customization. You can see here. You can see this one here. SSL certificates. All of them has it. Basic logo on website link. This basic doesn't have it, but this one is approved here. As you can see, inventory management. You can see on the basic, you you are likely not to get much there. But if you have money as you go, you can migrate to starter or pro. Yeah, this for sales management. I'll drop a link on this platform on the comment section so you can go through it later. See the bulk SMS I told you about. You can use their contacts and send them bulk SMS and the emails. This is it. Get technical support. Okay, let's go and sign up. On this tutorial, we are going with basic. Basic is free, so yeah, we are starting with. That's the one we are starting with. Let's hit on sign up. Okay, this is where we are now. Hello. So after you must have receive an OTP on your mail, then you put it and they'll ask you to create a password. So I'm going to save this. You now see, congratulations, you have successfully created your Bumpa account. Okay, hit the continue button. So you ask you, what are the 3 most important things you want to use Bumpa for? Create a website and run sales, record daily. You can see. Now remember, we are on basic, so there are things that we might not really need to pick now. So the first thing we need to pick, create a website and run sales. Which other one? Create manufacturing stuff across. No, for the fact we are on basic, we don't have this option to create my inventory and stuff across different locations. Okay, record customer details. We need customer details. What else? Process local and international payment for now, don't, let's just deal with local, so we are not going with this. Which other one? Automate my sales and orders, get detailed business analytics. Which one should we go? Okay, it's now left on you. Which one should I pick? Let's automate sales and order. Let's use this. So we hit continue. Enter business name. This is where you have to put your business name. Okay, this is not your name, or this one is your business name. So here I'll be going with let me go with Jenny. Okay, I'll go with Jenny Hair Empire. Okay, this is the URL. How is this here? How many orders do you get weekly? You just look at your business and okay, offline, how many orders do you get? So you can choose here. Let me choose 50 to 100. And how many staff do you have? Let me say 1 to 2. How many physical store do you have? I have just 1. So you hit continue. Successful. So one more thing, what subscription plan has features that suit your business needs? Check it. So see the Bumpa starter, this one is pro, and this. So it says complete the next step to launch your website. Add bank details to receive payment. So let me add bank details. Okay, after you must have selected your plans, and this is how your Bumper dashboard looks like. Okay, this is how it looks. So okay, first let's look at this place. This is your dashboard, your product. This is where you list your products. Okay, let me add the products. This can come later. Let me use delete. This is a product I mistakenly, so let's just add new one. Can you hear? Add products. So while registering, there will be a place you can do this, but I skipped it so that you can get into the dashboard and add products by ourselves. So let me just add this chair here. Do you wish to crop these images? No. Upload. Name can say dining chairs. Dining sets. Description can always add description of your product. Short description like make your dining space. Yes, something like. Okay, let's keep this. Then select collections. You can always create collections, maybe for home appliances, this that. Remember what we are dealing is hair, okay, fashion and hair. So I just use this for testing, okay. But later I will take my time to list the real product here. This is just for the tutorial. I can put the price here. Let's go with 20,000. Discounted price, let's give a discount of 1,000 naira. Okay, stock quantity we have 40. This was 40. Needs how are we going to say let's keep this. This if you sell this on kg, so you can select it here, but let's just keep this one. It's on headquarters, so we add products. Our product has been added, so you can see total inventory value. That means we have 40 of this, and we are selling 20. One is 20,000 naira, so this is the total inventory value. Okay, what else do we need to look at here? This is orders. This is ones must have been making sales. So here you check your orders one after the other. Okay, then customers. This is where you track your customers. You can create group. Okay, see it here. Debtors. This is where you can create customers, and when they buy, you can now push them to the group you want. Analytics. So this is how you track it. Your sales, check it. Net profit, expenses, gross profits, offline sales, transactions. Yeah, this is all your transactions, so check them. You can just take your time to go through them one after the other. Okay, let's try to visit our store and see how it looks like. We added one product, so let's go and look at it. It's coming. Jenny Hair Empire. Remember, you can always buy a domain. Buy a domain name, you can change it so that this Bumpa shop will be shown here. Okay, but that is on the starter and pro plan. That's where you can do all this. But for the basic, this is how you put your business name, and .bumpa.shop will be added because you are using a free plan. It's coming network.